Why don't I just throw a little sand on here and just be done with it? Hi, Joe.
Hey.